Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. Let us move. Unit number 6, the second voyage. Last grade we have learned how the Baghdad he was found himself in the valley and he say how he saved himself from the serpents. The serpents are very huge, they are able to eat they are swallow to an elephant also. They are too big, so he hid himself in the den. During the night time, the huge serpents come out from the dens and they move in the valley during the night time. But the Baghdad was very scared, so he hid himself in the den. I found a long narrow cave to hide in and rolled a large stone in front of this entrance to keep out of the serpents. So Baghdad, he found himself a long narrow cave, den, cave means den, to hide himself. And he rolled a large stone, a big stone in front of the entrance of the cave to keep out of the serpents. Do not enter the serpents in the cave. But the noise of their hissing outside made sleep impossible. It means the noise of hissing, its sound of serpents, snakes, their sound was too much. It's getting scared, so he could not sleep during the night time. It's impossible. I was glad when they went to their dens at dawn, and he was glad. Baghdad was glad when they went in their dens during the dawn. Dawn means during the morning time, the serpents get into the dens because of a huge rock bird came to catch them. And I was able to come out again, and he come out from the den. But I was still afraid. Still he was afraid. In fact, I found myself walking upon diamonds without a thought of value. He was walking on the diamond, walking upon the diamond without value of the diamonds. At last, being very tired, he was getting tired, he was getting hungry, and Baghdad decided to eat a little of my food. He ate little of his food and then to have a short sleep in the sun, and he decided to get sleep during the sun time because he could not sleep during the night time. So he ate little food and sleep during the sun time. I was suddenly awakened by something falling near me. I sat up and found that it was a huge piece of raw meat. I looked up and could see more pieces falling down from the rocks above the valley. When he was sleeping at that time, what he heard, he was getting awakened because of this falling near me. Something falling from the valley, falling from the above the valley. And so he awoke, he get up and found that what he found there, what he saw there, what he found, he saw there a huge piece of raw meat. And he looked up toward the valley, top of the valley, and could see more pieces falling down from the rocks above the valley. I had heard stories in the past about the Valley of Diamonds, but had never believed them. Now, though I saw with my own eyes how the local merchants collected the jewels. They used huge eagles to carry the diamonds for them. When the eagles had young ones in their nest, they flew down into the valley to get food from them. And Baghdad had heard the story of during the past of his time. Past time means here during his past life, Valley of Diamonds. That is the Valley of Diamonds. It's called Valley of the Diamonds, where the eagles are coming to eat the meat. But had never believed. But he could not believe the story. Never believed means he could not believe the story. Valley of Diamonds. Now though he saw with my own eyes. Now he saw his own eyes how the local merchants collected the jewels. How the local merchant collecting the jewels. They use huge eagles. They use What they use eagles to carry the diamonds for them. Who help them? Who carry the diamonds from this valley? Who bring the diamonds? The eagles. The eagles carry the meat, and that's why the diamonds stick to the meat and they carry the meat to their meat. So it will help to the get diamonds to the merchant. When the eagles had young ones in their nest, when the eagles had their young ones in their nest, they flew down into the valley. They means here the eagles flew down into the valley to get food for them. They means to the young ones. They collect the foods and they get the meat from the valley for the young ones. So the merchant would throw down the last pieces of raw meat and the diamonds will stick. So the merchant will throw throw down the last pieces of raw meat. What they throw? Last pieces of raw meat, and the diamonds will stick. What happened? The diamonds will stick to the meat. And when the eagles took the meat back to their nest, and the eagles took the meat to their nest, they bring the meat to the young ones and they keep the meat into the nest. They also took the diamonds. They means here the meat took the diamonds stick to the meat. Here they means he used for the eagle. They collect the meats along with they took the meat, took the diamonds. Each merchant had his own nest. Each merchant had his own nest and considered any jewels in it, and they consider only their jewels in it his. Each merchant had his own nest, so they consider their jewels themselves, theirs. Do not interfere in, no means nobody interfere in their jewels. The idea came to me that I too could use these eagles to escape from the valley. The idea came into the mind of the idea came to me. Me means here the Baghdad here. The idea came into his mind that he could use these eagles. He could use the eagles to escape, to make free from the valley, to get out from the valley. To get out from the valley, so he tried to use these eagles. The eagles were so big and strong that my weight would be nothing to them. So Baghdad thought that the eagles were so big and strong, they can carry my weight easily. First, I collected some of the biggest diamonds I could find, which I put in my wallet. First, what he has done, I means here, Baghdad collected all the biggest diamond and he put in his wallet and tied my vest, and he tied his vest properly. Then I tied one of the last pieces of meat to my back with my turban, and he tied himself to the last piece of meat to my back with his turban. Then I lay down with my face to the ground and waited. He lay down on the surface, his face is ground side. I am waiting for the eagles to carry him. There was a sound of huge wings about me, and he heard the sound of wings. He heard the sound of a huge eagle is coming to carry him. Then I felt myself lifted up and carried to the top of the rocky walls of the valley, and he felt someone is lifting him, lifted up and carried to the top of the rock walls of the valley, as the eagle reached in the nest. And as soon as the eagle reached in the nest, I heard the merchants' cries as they tried to make the birds drop their meat, and they heard the eagle is coming to their nest, and they are trying to make to drop the meat from the eagle's beak. So they are cries. They cried. Merchant cries means they are cried loudly. They are speaking loudly to drop the eagle could drop the meat. One of the men came to the nest where I was. One of the men came to the nest where I was dropped, and great was his surprise at the sight of me, and he was getting surprised because I saw him. I saw them. In fact, he was angry because he thought that I was stealing his diamonds. In fact, he is getting angry. He thought, the merchant thought he was, what he was thought? He thought that Baghdad was stealing his diamond. But I said to him, I am a friend, not a foe. I said means here Baghdad said to the merchants, I am your friend, not a foe. Foe means enemy. I am carrying with me enough diamonds for both of us. And he said, Baghdad said, I am carrying enough diamonds, both of us. I am not a thief. As I was speaking, the other merchants came to the nest. When he was speaking at that time, other merchants reached to the nest, also surprised to find a man in it, and they also surprised to see a man into the nest. They marvel at my story and my bravery in the risking dangers of flight. They getting surprised of my story and my bravery, risking his life. Risking his life means here Baghdad's life getting risk. So it is dangerous of the flight. Very soon they took me to their camp and showed them the size and beauty of diamonds. Very soon the merchants took him to the camp and they showed their size and the beauty of my diamonds. They were fair and honest among themselves. All the merchants they are fair. They both अच्छे हैं. All the merchants they fair and honest. They are sincere to each other. And each man only kept the jewels that had come to his particular nest, and each man only kept the jewels whatever they have decided their particular nest, they carry them only. The merchant who owned the nest to which the eagle had carried me. The merchant who owned the nest to which eagle had carried me. The merchant जो merchant था कि उसने उसकी नेस्ट में मीन्स बगदाद वहाँ पे छोड़ के गया था. किसने छोड़ा था? ईगल ने उसे छोड़ दिया था. एंड हैड कैरिड मी वुड ओनली टेक ज्वेल फ्रॉम मी एंड ही वुड ओनली टेक द ज्वेल फ्रॉम मी दो आई ऑफर्ड हिम मोर. तो उस मर्चेंट ने सिर्फ उसके मीट को जो डायमंड्स थे वही उसने लिए. when the Baghdad offered more diamonds to the merchant, he said, I am quite satisfied. He said, that merchant said, I am quite satisfied. Your gift is valuable enough to make fortune itself. This is your valuable gift. So you can make your life, you can better your life. After spending the night with the merchant, after spending the whole night with the merchants, I went with them on the long journey back to their homes. Who went there? Baghdad went with them for the long sea journey back to their homes. At last I found the way to my own, and he found his way to reach his own home. When I was back again in Baghdad, I gave large sums to the poor. When he reached his home, he reached at Baghdad. He gave the large sum to the poor. Then I lived in luxury in my peaceful house. And he lived his life luxuriously in his own house, thanks to the riches of my adventures. And he's thanking to his adventurous life. Thanks for his diamonds. Thanks for the goals, whatever he has achieved in his adventures. This story is adapted from a story from the Arabian Nights. Arabian Nights is a enlarged book, and the story has taken from the Arabian Nights. The second voyage, it's written by Margaret Green. Hope all of you understood this story. Till up to bye. Okay, dear students, if you like this video, so like it and subscribe my channel. Okay.